Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can search for projects in GitHub. So let's get started. I'll be using Google Chrome, but the steps are exactly the same on any browser or computer. First, go to Google and type GitHub. From the search results, click on the official website, github.com. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner where you'll find the search bar. Here, you can type the name of the project you want to explore. For example, I'll search for test. GitHub will then display all related repositories and results. You can also refine your search by filtering results. For instance, if you want to see projects in Java, click on the Java filter. If you want Python projects, click on Python. GitHub also lets you search by code, commits, issues, discussions, and more. So if you're looking for a specific project, just type the project name in the search bar, apply any filters you need, and you'll easily find what you're looking for. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.